Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you the official extension for VS Code for Astro. Astro, as you all know, it's a very popular framework for building your static websites. So this is their official website, astro.build. So they do provide an official extension for VS Code for syntax highlighting, auto completion, intelligence, all these features. So if you go to VS Code, simply in the type search bar, simply type Astro. This is their official extension. If you don't install these extensions, your files will appear something like this. No syntax highlighting will be there. If I show you, so no syntax highlighting is there. So it's very difficult to code inside Astro. So this is a recommended extension. You should definitely install this. 1 million installs are there. So simply click the install button, and after you install this extension, now you will find out your Astro files will be highlighted with this icon, so you clearly understand that you are working with a Astro file, and all the syntax highlighting will also be done right here. You can see that. So in this easy way, you can actually fix and install the official Astro VS Code extension to get the official syntax highlighting for your Astro components. And as you write the code as well, you will also get the Astro autocomplete. The errors will also be shown side by side as well. So it's an ultimate extension. Definitely install this. So it's provided by the official company Astro. So that's why it's official extension. So definitely install this extension. It provides you with the syntax highlighting and this icons as well. So